Hi guys, so you landed in a Sorento and you want to change the cabin air filter. Now cabin air filter generally cleans the air that comes from outside, and now at certain intervals you need to change that as well. So how to change it? Very simple. Just take the glove box open and then remove this round thing, twist it. The other one on this side, twist it. Yep, that makes it loose, and then you see this here, you go like this, and on the other side as well, just pull that thing off. See, this thing comes out, and then you will see the filter. So pull that filter out, inspect it, and then if it needs changing, change it. We got the new one, and that's the old one. So it says here as well that airflow was on top side, so I'm just gonna go put this one back in like so, and once that's in, we need to put that thing back again. So once the filter is in, just make sure this one goes this way. It says here as well, cover filter. If it's upside down, that's wrong. So just this way, and then just stick it in the right place. Hear the clicks? Yep, bang, that's done. Now you'll also notice that you guys might have this one there. You might have removed that. In my case, I had already removed it, which goes on this pin there. Please make sure you do that as well. And then once you put that back, twist those round things, and let's close it all off.